Good morning. This video lecture is for class 7th, subject English speaking, and this is lecture 2 for the same. That means this is lecture for your second speaking class. And the topic that we are going to cover are synonyms. Okay, so without wasting time, let's quickly get into and let's know what synonym words are. Moving next. Introduction. So I'm going to introduce you. I'm going to tell you the meaning of the word synonym. A word or phrase that has the same meaning as another word or phrase in the same language. So what are synonym words? They are a word or phrase that has the same meaning as another word or phrase in the same language. That means a word has more than one. Like a word can be spoken, the same meaning can be there of 2-3 words, right? So synonym are those words who have the same meaning. पर्यायवाची समानार्थी शब्द. In Hindi we can recognize them as पर्यायवाची or समानार्थी शब्द. I have jotted down a list of synonym words for you people and you all have to learn that. Is that clear? Let's move ahead with the next slide. Next. So these are from letter A: amazing, incredible, unbelievable, improbable, astonishing. So can you see amazing has these 4 words as its synonyms and they also have the same meaning like incredible, unbelievable, improbable and astonishing. Next one, anger, enrage, infuriate, arouse, nettle. So these all 4 words are a synonym for the word anger. Next, angry, wrathful, furious, enraged, indignant. Clear? Next, answer, reply, respond, retort, acknowledge. Next, ask, question, inquire, query, interrogate. So they all mean the same. Ask. Next, awful. Awful means dreadful, terrible, abominable, unpleasant. Clear? The 4 words dreadful, terrible, abominable, unpleasant, they all mean the same as awful. Okay, next letter B. So we'll start with letter B now. Bad, depraved, rotten, contaminated, sinful. Beautiful, gorgeous, dazzling, splendid, magnificent. Begin, start, open, launch, initiate. Right? Next, big, enormous, huge, immense, gigantic, brave, courageous, fearless, dauntless, intrepid. Break, fracture, wreck, crash, demolish. So they are the synonym of the word break. Next, let us see. Okay, one is still left. Bright, sparkling, shimmering, radiant, vivid. Now we will be moving to letter C. Letter C. Calm, quiet, peaceful, unruffled, tranquil. Come, approach, advance, near, arrive. Next, cool, chilly, cold, frosty, frigid. Grouped, bent, twisted, zigzag, hooked. Cry, weep, wail, sob, bawl. Cut, slice, carve, cleave, slit. Okay, moving to letter D. See, D has so many words, right? Dangerous, perilous, hazardous, risky, uncertain, dark, shadowy, unlit, murky, gloomy. Decide, determine, settle, choose, resolve. Definite, certain, sure, positive, determined. Delicious, savory, delectable, appetizing, luscious. Describe, portray, characterize, picture, narrate. Destroy, ruin, demolish, raise, slay. Difference, disagreement, inequity, contrast, dissimilarity. Do, execute, enact, carry out, finish. Dull, unimaginative, lifeless, tedious, tiresome. Letter E. Here we have letter E and F together. Eager, keen, fervent, enthusiastic, involved. End, stop, finish, terminate, conclude. Enjoy, appreciate, delight in, be pleased, indulge in. Explain, elaborate, clarify, define, interpret. Fair, just, impartial, unbiased, objective. Fall, drop, descend, plunge, topple. False, fake, fraudulent, counterfeit, spurious. Fast, quick, rapid, hasty, swiftly. Fat, stout, corpulent, paunchy, plump. Fear, fright, dread, terror, alarm. Fly, soar, hover, flit, wing. Funny, humorous, amusing, droll, laughable. Clear? Next. Next we have letter G and letter H. Get, acquire, obtain, secure, procure. Go, recede, depart, fade, disappear. Good, excellent, apt, marvelous, qualified. Great, noteworthy, worthy, distinguished, remarkable. Gross, improper, rude, coarse, indecent. Next, happy, pleased, contented, satisfied, delighted. Hate, despise, loathe, detest, abhor. Have, acquire, gain, maintain, believe. Help, aid, assist, succor, encourage. Hide, conceal, camouflage, shroud, veil. Hurry, hasten, urge, accelerate, bustle. Hurt, damage, distress, afflict, pain. Clear? Moving to the next. Next, important, necessary, vital, critical, indispensable, interesting, fascinating, bright, intelligent, animated, keep, hold, maintain, sustain, support, kill, slay, execute, assassinate, abolish. So we are going to do the letter K only. So that's all for synonyms. Your homework is to learn the synonym words from letter A to K. Clear to everyone? I hope you people will learn them because they will be very helpful for you all to understand the meanings. Alright? Thank you. Thank you, and please kindly learn the synonym words. We will be meeting in the next class with the rest leftover alphabets. Take care, stay home, stay safe.